Bitcoin at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a dump, but Vechain continues to hold above support above the 0.02081. And on today's video, I will be discussing what I expect to play out on holding above this key area of support, and also give you an alternative scenario that can play out if by any chance we lose this key area of support, and also give you my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening since the 5th of August when we saw this massive breakdown move. We saw a very nice recovery to the upside where we picked in this ABC corrective structure, and after we picked in that move, we started another breakdown move to the lower side in a move that at the time of this recording has managed to break above the 20-day MA on the 4-hour chart, and also break above resistance at the 0.02081, flipping it back into support. And there's a chance that as long as we continue holding above this key area of support, we can continue seeing these bounce to the upside in the next coming hours in a move that can take us to the next key area of resistance above the 0.02497, and a break above the 0.02497 with a successful retest will give us an even more bullish movement to the upside, having the 0.027 and the 0.03 as my next target areas. We also need to have in mind that we can see a massive breakdown move giving us a break to the lower side of this key area of support, flipping it back into resistance once again. And if that is the case, then I will be watching for Vechain to give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August below the 0.01894. And the moment we get a reset of those lows, there's a chance that we are going to see another bounce back and break above key areas of resistances. But if by any chance we get a reset and continue seeing further breakdown moves, then that will be suggesting an even more bearish movement here on the Vechain chart. And based on what I have here on the daily chart, I will be giving you an area that we need to continue holding. And on the daily chart, you can see that after getting our bear market lows, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that managed to break above resistances, giving us a high above the 0.05547 in a move that peaked in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗀1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of these 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗀2 minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area over here. An area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made last year to the high we made this year above the 0.055, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, an area that we have now fully maximized. And at some point you can see that we lost the fib level 0.78, suggesting that we are now watching for the last line of support on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.88, to continue holding, and that lies above the 0.01828. And as long as you continue holding above that key area on the Fibonacci's, there's still a high chance that we are going to see another bounce back in the next coming weeks and maybe months in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗀3 that should give us that start of a massive bull market move to the upper side. But if by any chance we lose the fib level 0.88, there's a chance that you're going to continue seeing further breakdown moves, and also give us the risk of getting a reset of the bear market lows below the 0.01328. So those are the alternative scenarios that you need to have in mind, and the key areas of supports that we need to continue holding. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.